Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to separate your settings forms into distinct sections. So, if you can see here, this is a project access model that we have, settings model that we have, and this has repository access in a separate section over here, collaborators in a separate section over here, and all the other switches in a separate section over here. Previously it's just one after another. This switches are just one is over here, one is over here. So I just went in, separated it based on repository, collaborators, and all the other switches into separate sections. So this line just eases the user into, they can just read this headings over here and then go, they can jump so from this section to this section to this section. They don't have to read everything in this section, so it's easier for the users to just go in and change what they want easily. So and yeah, I've added separator lines over here. This can be a full-on divider. So for example, if I remove the padding and the padding over here, and I am going to select everything except the lines, and I'm gonna add some padding to that. Perfect. Okay, so now this is like separate divider. So this repository access has a separate divider, the invite collaborators has separate dividers, and the switches has a separate divider. This is also fine. So while you are designing your settings section, especially in a model which has like lots of moving parts like this, it's very crucial to separate it into however small sections that you can. So yeah, that's it for today, and let me know if you like this UI design tips videos, and I'll try to make more of this. Bye bye.